Hi. So now let us see how union, intersection, and minus are working in the SQL actually. So in the last lecture, we seen the its rules. Now let us try to understand. So here, if you see the first one, union operator. So how union operator is working? So simple that it is used to combine the results of two or more select statements actually. So we are going to have two select statements. So by following these two rules, so by using those two rules, it is going to combine the results actually. How and all? Let us try to observe. So let us take one simple database. So here we have a three relations: depositor, borrower, and loan. And corresponding data, if you take in the depositor, you have the two columns, and this is the data we have. And in the borrower, two columns, and this is the data we have. And in the loan, this is the data we have. Now observe that loan number here we are using in the loan. Okay, and here account number. Actually, in the loan you have a loan number, branch, and amount. So let it be. So we will come back to that. Now, how union we are going to use it here. So here, if you see the query, first of all, find the names of the customers who have a account or loan or both actually. Okay. So account meaning is in the depositor, you are going to have an account. Loan meaning is in the borrower, we are going to have a loan actually. And both meaning is both in both what we have actually. So that let us try to observe here. First of all, the select the customer names from the depositor. So from this query, who are all going to come? Customer name from the depositor. Only customer name. That is what A, B, C, F we are going to have. And then he also told loan actually. So that is why from the borrower table, we are selecting the all customer names. So from this, what we are going to have D, B, C, E. Okay. If you see the output, what we are going to have output in both, both must be compatible. That is what he told. So quantity of the attributes must be same. Here one attribute, here also one attribute, and domains must be compatible. Yes, correct. Here character, here also character. Both of them is varchar. Now in the output customer name you are going to display. What will be the output? That is what you are applying union on these two results. That is what you can see. Two or more select statements results you are going to combine actually. So this result is ABCF. This result is DBC. So A, B, C, F, and when you come to here D, it is going to take, but B already existed. So duplicates automatically eliminating, right? So that is why B is not going to take again. C already there, but E not there. So E is also going to take in the output. So total 6 records it is going to return this output. Okay. So that is what union is applying. So try to understand all these three rules. Automatically duplicates are eliminated in both. Only one time it is considered, and it is compatible. Both the attributes, whatever you are trying to display, both must be compatible, and the number of attributes in both must be same. That is what we guaranteed. And when you apply union, it is combining the both the select statements results actually. So this in this way union is working. Okay. Now let us try to observe intersection. So that is what in the next slide. So here you can see intersection. So intersection meaning is what? So if you see union meaning is what? This and this. So that is what a depositor and borrower both you are going to consider. Now intersection meaning is what actually? General mathematical meaning. So common part you are going to consider. That is what you can see. It is used to select the common rows from both the relation section. So for example, find the names of the customers who have both account and loan. This is not OR operator actually. This is AND. That means in both must be there. So that is why same query if you take, here we are going to have A, B, C, F, and this is C, F. Okay. and here we are going to have D, B, C, E. Okay, so this is what. Now he is asking intersection operator you are applying, intersect. So then in the output, what we have, so first table, whatever column, corresponding column is there, that name you are going to display in the output, customer name, and common. A is not in both, B is not, B is both actually, and C is in both, and this is F is not in both. So that's enough. So 2 records it is returning. That is it. Okay. So this is the intersection part. So normal mathematics set theory, whatever we are going to have meaning here also same thing, but this is talking about the rows actually. Entire row in both if exist, those rows only you are going to return in the output. Okay. Now let us see the next one, difference minus operator actually. So that is what if you observe minus operator is what actually, if you have two relations R1 and R2, we want to select all those tuples that are present in only R1 but not in R2. So that is what if you take R1 and R2 only present in R1, not in R2. That means even common part also you want to exclude actually. So that is what you can see. This is what the as usually tables. Now find the names of the customers who have loan but not an account. So only they must have a loan actually. They should not have any account here. Such a customer names we have to display. So that is what customer name from the borrower. First you select customer name from the borrower. So customer name from the borrower is D, B, C, F. And then customer name from the depositor. So in the depositor, A, B, C, F actually, this is E. Okay. Now, what we are saying actually minus. So from this you are removing. So in the output, what we are going to have, that observe. So customer name. Okay. So you see here, A is not here. B is here actually, that you have to exclude. Common part you have to exclude. C is also common part. So that means D and E. Observe, D don't have an account. D don't have an account. E also don't have an account. So such a customer names we need, right? This is what the output. For example, if you see who have, for example, who have account, okay, but not loan. Reverse if you are asking. Then what we have to do, swap these two statements actually. That's it. So that means in the first output, you are going to have ABCF minus DBCE actually, DBCE. So that meaning is what? A is not in both, B is common, C is common, F. Now what you can say, A and F don't have any loan actually. So that is what meaning had, right? Who have account but not a loan. So that is why if you simply swap, output is different actually. But in case of minus intersection, even if you swap these two, output is same. Even in case of union and intersection, if you swap that means you can say commutative. If you swap the results, if you swap the queries, output is same, maybe order is different. But in case of minus, if you swap the queries, then output is going to change. That is what you can see in both cases. Okay. So this is what set manipulation operators, that is union, intersection, difference. Okay.